putting rocks at the bottom of your pot to improve your drainage. Actually, what that does is that it inhibits the water from draining properly. So it is a very, very unnecessary thing to do. And then it even just reduces the amount of space you have to put your plant. So you put rocks. So what happens is you see people putting rocks, then the soil, and then the plant. So it reduces the pot space. It is really not necessary. So what you do is just put the right soil. A good well-draining soil should just work perfectly without having to put those kind of things at the base of your pot.